There are two types of ring-out specification, circular ring-out and total ring-out. Total ring-out can be viewed as a three-dimensional ring-out and involves moving a dial indicator up and down a three-dimensional part, such as a cylinder, while it is being rotated around its datum axis. Since video and optical systems are not capable of measuring in 3 dimensions, total ring-out is not available on any of our readout systems. Circular ring-out is a combination of roundness and concentricity. We shall take our part and we shall rotate our part about the datum A's axis as we have done before. And while we're rotating the part, we'll record the total indicator reading, which will be our circularity ring-out. As our part rotates about our datum A axis, you'll notice our concentricity diameter from our previous illustration. Circular ring-out can be viewed as a combination of concentricity and roundness. Our total indicator reading is our measured circular ring-out value. Providing that this reading does not go outside of our tolerance zone of 0.1 millimeters to datum A, the circular ring-out is within tolerance. Outside of this zone, our circular ring-out will be considered out of tolerance. Now let's have a look at measuring circular ring-out in our readout. In our previous illustrations, we had already measured two diameters. Circle 1, our inside diameter, datum A, and circle 2, our outside diameter, that we measured back to datum A. Because we've already measured these two diameters, there is no need to remeasure them. We can simply recall the measured features or measured diameters and apply our circular ring-out. To do this, we're going to select our circle 2 from our feature list on the left-hand side of our digital readout. After we've done this, we select tolerance, and then we select circular ring-out. We then key in a tolerance zone of 1.5 millimeters and ensure that our reference feature is set to the default, the feature previous, circle 1. Then we push finish. We have a circular ring-out of 1.312. This is within specification. This is how you measure circular ring-out in the readout.